In last week's video, we talked about the growth of the Grand Touring tire segment beyond using them just for sedans. This week, we discuss why, when customers need new tires, it's crucial to understand how Grand Touring options differ from standard touring tires. Compared to standard touring tires, Grand Touring tires prioritize higher speed ratings, sportier handling, and a quiet, comfortable ride. They're designed for newer, more powerful vehicles with different demands than older cars. While safety remains essential, Grand Touring tires take wet and winter traction and add high-speed stability, responsiveness, and luxury car refinement. Grand Touring tires achieve superior performance through robust construction and advanced compounds. Higher speed ratings require sturdier builds to handle greater forces, and specialized tread compounds enhance grip and control. Tire longevity and overall performance really come down to balance. Rather than excelling in just one or two metrics, Grand Touring tires have to deliver across the board. I'm talking year-round traction, long tread life, a cushioned ride, low noise, and high-speed capability. It's a demanding lineup of must-haves, and though it comes with a big price tag, it should be worth it for your customers looking for a similar OE feel. Recommending the right Grand Touring tire starts by asking customers about their driving needs and preferences. Focus on speed rating if your customers are looking for confidence and safety on highway speeds and during passing. Prioritize all-season traction for confidence in rain and light snow, and emphasize ride comfort and quiet operation for a luxury driving experience similar to an OE new car feel. Geography matters too. In snowy regions, consider Grand Touring tires with 3 PMSF ratings for enhanced winter performance without compromising other attributes. Know your customer's vehicle type as well. For example, EV owners have unique needs and need Grand Touring tires with compounds engineered for sustained durability. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.